Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic pasta. And everyone who knows me, they know that I'm a foodie. From Italian, Indian, Chinese to continental, I love food. So today I'm making an Italian dish with an Indian twist. Today I'm not going to use any of the sauces, and the basic ingredients that you have in your house you can make with this pasta. So there are many kinds of pasta, spaghetti, macaroni, but today I'm going to use this rotini. Rotini is nothing but the spiral pasta, just see, that you get in market very easily. So let me show you the ingredients. So this is the spiral pasta rotini which I have said. And this is some garlic paste, this is onion paste, this is some kasuri methi, this is pure Desi Ghee for my Indian twist, oil, some chaat masala, some chili paste, some finely chopped onions, and the masalas which I am going to use is some black pepper powder, chaat masala, ginger powder, coriander powder, and lastly jeera powder. So you don't need to be afraid if you don't have ginger powder and all. You can use this ginger paste, but don't use ginger garlic paste because we are making garlic pasta. We need is garlic paste. So during this quarantine, it's better to stay in your house and make something delicious and eat. So let's make my garlic pasta. Just first, before we start, we'll boil the water. Since I've already kept it, it's boiling, and I'll add a little more water to it. And now, the thing I'll do is, I'll add this rotini pasta into it, into boiling water. I've taken half a cup because I'm not going to eat that much, so half a cup. So the next thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit of oil and let it boil for a few minutes, and let it boil for a few more minutes. While you're boiling it, just add a little bit of salt so that the taste remains perfect. So once it starts boiling, what we'll do is, we'll check it. It's boiled. So now I'll drain it out. I'll remove it in something. See, it looks perfect. Now once it has boiled, we'll give it an Indian twist to this. I'm not gonna start making my pasta, but first I'm just gonna take a pan, flame is on, and I'm gonna roast this pasta. And roasting I'll do is with my Desi Ghee. I'll add a teaspoon of Desi Ghee. And I'll add this boiled pasta. Such a wonderful thing for bachelors to do. So the flavor of the ghee just goes into the pasta. We need to roast it till it becomes a little brown. Not too much brown. And whatever dish it is, I'm a hardcore Indian inside. So I need the Indian twist. Once it is roasted, we'll take it out. Again, we'll keep the high flame, same pan. Add a tablespoon of oil. I'll mix up all the paste and I'll put it. Onion paste, garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of chili paste. I'm not using any of the sauce here because I want to keep my color very fresh. Next thing I'll add is the onions. We'll add a little bit of kasuri methi in it. I'm not going to use any of the sauces, so I don't want to mess my color. A little bit of coriander powder, very little bit. Some jeera powder. Some chaat masala. Black pepper powder. Basically, I'm doing it wrong. Sorry, ginger powder. Now, we're just gonna pour some water in it and We'll put another tablespoon of ghee in it. We'll just boil it. Nicely mix and boil. And now the main thing which we need to add is salt. As per your taste, or else I've used half tablespoon of. Remember, we have already added in pasta also. Here it's just for the masala. What we'll do next is we'll add the pasta into it. So let it boil. Keep it on. Lastly, keep it on high flame for just about 20 seconds. So your garlic pasta is almost ready. So now what you need to do is take it out. Serve hot. I love this pasta. I love a lot of garlic. Hence I like this pasta a lot. So now I'll show you how it looks. Yeah. So let me taste it. Wow. The taste of garlic and ghee. Perfect. Very simple, very humble. Enjoy. Make it. Do like, share and subscribe. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like, just comment.